Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 446th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen. It's that time of the year, Super Bowl. Congratulations to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and the Kansas City Chiefs. It's going to be a great game. Who you rooting for? Let me know down below in the comment section. You can't have a Super Bowl party without great food. So today I'm going to share with all of you a delicious, mouth-watering crab dip. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be cheesy, gooey, full of crabs, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. This will be a crowd pleaser, and everybody will love and enjoy this dip. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Game Day recipes playlist and my previous video, old-fashioned hoe cakes. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your baking dish, your cheese, and your crab meat sugar, because we're about to bake some crab dip magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my large bowl, I have one 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I let come to room temperature, or you can use cream cheese spread. And in 2-hour cream cheese, we're going to add in a half a cup each of sour cream and real mayonnaise. And we're going to add in 1/3 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And we're going to mix all these together until they're well combined. All right, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 cup of freshly grated Swiss cheese and a half a cup of freshly grated sharp white cheddar cheese. 1 teaspoon of hot sauce for a little kick. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And my seasonings, 1 teaspoon each of salt and white pepper, or you can use black, and a half a teaspoon of seafood seasoning. And give this a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Smell the hot sauce and the seafood seasoning. Smells good. And last but not least, the star of the show, the crab. We're going to add in 16-ounce container of claw crab meat. And fold this in. And make sure you check the crab meat for shells. Love the smell of crab meat. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish folding in my crab meat, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through mixing up my crab mixture. Now we're ready to pour it into the baking dish. We're going to pour it in the 9 by 13 inch long baking dish, ungreased. All righty. There's one more thing we got to add to it. 1 cup of the white cheddar cheese right on top. So that's a total of 1.5 cups of white cheddar cheese in the entire recipe. This is going to be spectacular. With cream cheese and mayonnaise and fresh crab meat. Doesn't get any better than that. Perfect. Look at this beautiful beauty. You ready to go into the oven, my friend? We're going to put it in the preheated 400-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 35 minutes until it's golden brown and the cheese melt. Oh, my mouth's watering. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it, crab dip. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. And look at all that cheese, nice and melted. Now, you don't want to dig into it right away. You want to let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. And while it's cooling, I'll get my crackers together, and then we'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends, my crab dip is nice and cool, and I put them in the serving bowl, and I'm serving it with some Ritz crackers, or you can use saltines or tortilla chips, even bread. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Meaty, creamy. I love that little tang from the cream cheese and sour cream. Bursting with flavors. This crab dip is phenomenal, my friends. Perfect for game day. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Crab dip-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Super Bowl.